are going to love the 2017 Dodge Grand Caravan. The Dodge Grand Caravan received the government's highest front and side crash rating of 5 stars. Its vast interior is widely praised, with an innovative seating arrangement, versatile cargo storage, and enough entertainment features to keep the kids entertained on road trips. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, remote engine start, power liftgate, leather-wrapped steering wheel, dual airbags, power steering, alloy wheels, hard disk drive media storage, 4-wheel disc brakes, universal garage door opener, trip computer, electronic stability control, fog lamps, heated steering wheel, heated front seats, CD player, security alarm, rear window defroster, power windows. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.